Is your homepage truly capturing your audience's attention, or are potential clients slipping away? Today, you'll learn why your homepage is more than just an entry point and discover essential tips to optimize it for lasting success in the digital landscape. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Christina Stubblefield, and every week we help you unleash your business's potential, boost your visibility, and maximize your time. Now, if you're ready, let's dive in. Statistics show that a significant number of visitors do not navigate past the homepage. This makes it crucial to create a strong first impression. Your homepage needs to include essential elements that capture attention and provide a comprehensive overview of your business. Your homepage should have a brief yet informative section about your business. Highlight your key services and products to give visitors a clear understanding of what you offer. Ensure that your value proposition and solutions are clearly stated and easy to understand. I encourage you to use compelling headlines and engaging visuals to capture attention quickly from visitors. Your homepage should be designed to keep your visitors interested and encourage them to explore further. Now, I want to talk about above the fold content. Why? Because it's crucial. So first of all, what am I referring to? Well, this is the portion of your website that is visible without scrolling. So when you first go to a website, it's what you see right there before you do anything else. Ensure that the most important information, it maybe is a good picture, or maybe it is a key video. Some people want to make sure that they have their tagline there or a call to action. Whatever that most important information is, you want it to be displayed above the fold. Now, let's talk about building credibility because it's essential. I would include trust signals, such as badges that are maybe organizations that you're part of, awards, maybe you're certified. Whatever it is in your industry or for your business that you want to display, these elements help build trust and reassure visitors that your business is reputable and reliable. Next up, let's talk about contact information. You want to make sure your contact information is easily accessible. Now, for some, that might mean including multiple ways for visitors to reach out, whether that be phone, email, or you have a call to action that you want someone to take, whether that's scheduling a discovery call, booking an initial consultation, whatever it is that you want potential visitors to do to take the next step. This ensures that potential clients can easily contact you or move forward with whatever that first step is. Okay, the next topic, a clean and professional design. This is crucial. Your website's design should align with your brand's image and provide a positive user experience. Make sure to pay attention to the fonts that you use, your color scheme, and the layout. All of that goes together to create an appealing homepage. One of my favorite things to talk about is incorporating engaging multimedia. This can include photos and videos on your homepage because this can significantly enhance engagement. I always encourage you to use high quality images and videos that reflect your business's personality, brand, and your services or products. Now, I must mention that all websites need to be mobile friendly. With over 80% of website traffic coming from mobile devices, it's important to test and optimize your website for those mobile users. So make sure that you not only look at your website on desktop, but also on your phone and tablet if you have one. I'll share with you one common mistake that I see over and over again in the years of doing this is people assume visitors will navigate further into their website. Valuable content should not be buried deep within your website. And I know that it can be tough to figure out how much to put on your homepage and what's most important. Make sure if you have multiple pages on your website that you include at least small parts of important information that's located on other pages on the homepage, and then give your visitors an easy way to navigate directly to that content. That way, if they're interested in knowing more about that relevant content, they can get straight to it. They don't have to go through and do so much clicking, because statistics show people don't do that many clicks inside a website. Okay, so now I'm going to give you some steps that you can take. Look at your homepage. Again, I would do this on desktop, phone, and tablet if available. And you want to do this as if you were a potential client. I know this is maybe not the easiest thing to do. I've been there. But try to look at it as if you didn't know anything about your business, services, or products, and you were a potential client that landed on your homepage. Is it appealing? Does it have enough, but not too much, information to overwhelm someone? Does it clearly explain what you do or offer? Make sure your homepage represents your business and brand, and make sure it includes a clear and compelling call to action. Remember, what do you want your visitors to do? So to recap what I've just talked about, having a strong homepage involves including essential elements, displaying above the fold important content, building credibility with trust signals, making contact information easily accessible, providing a clean design, incorporating good photos and videos, ensuring mobile optimization. By focusing on these areas, you can ensure your homepage supports your business goals and enhances your online presence. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, a strong homepage is key to your digital success. Are you feeling overwhelmed and like you don't have enough time to create content for your business? Then watch this video right here to hear how AI can benefit you and your business. And don't miss my free AI training. You can get more information about it and how you can dive deeper into using AI effectively on my website at ChristinaStubblefield.com.